Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we are taking a look at a 2015 Clark 42 foot by 102 wide. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an all steel trailer with a wood deck. It has a universal mounting kit on the back end for a lift carrying unit. This unit can carry a forklift for you. As you can see, the underside here has been blasted, primed and repainted. As you can see, the underside is in phenomenal condition. Beams and structure are in excellent condition. We rotate around to the kingpin plate and you can see it looks virtually brand new. As we come down the side of the unit, folks, this unit has a brand new buyer's toolbox underneath it for storage. This unit is a sliding tandem spring ride air brake unit. As you can see, 225 steel refurbed rims all the way around. Tire condition is phenomenal, almost like new. We come up underneath here and you can see the drum and pad are virtually 90% on this unit. As we come back to the back of the trailer here, folks, you can see the universal mounting kit. This kit is designed to carry a Princeton, a Moffett, many other brands. If you currently have a lift, just let us know what you have. We can verify everything will fit for you. I rotate around here and you can see a Moffett in the background. We have hundreds available in stock for you to select from to make a package deal. You can take a look at 99lifts.com and take a look at our available inventory. As we come back to the trailer, you can see 225 matching rims, matching tires all the way around this unit. Incredible tread on these tires. As you can see, this trailer has brand new straps ready to come work for you. The landing gear has been checked, verified that all gears are working for cranking up and down. As we get to the front of the trailer, I just want to thank you for your time. Come visit us at 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our trucks, trailers, and forklifts available for sale. We can put a package deal together for you.